J has launched an optical communication connector, FO-BD7 series, for outdoor equipment, such as 5G base stations. The product incorporates an optical module in the plug connector and is capable of suppressing thermal influence. With the spread of 5G, there is a growing demand for high-performing miniaturized base stations that can be installed in compact spaces. With base stations becoming smaller, thermal management becomes a key point in connector design. Especially as base station, which communicate with core networks, have designed in optical modules which can easily be affected by heat. This tends to be a common problem while designing base stations. At times, optical modules require replacement once the base station is installed, and as this being a complex process, the expectation relies on easier connector replacement. To cater to these demands, we have launched FO-BD7 series, an outdoor environmentally resistant optical connector, where the plug connector has an optical module incorporated for heat dissipation. In this product, the optical module is incorporated into the plug connector, where the optical module is standardly installed inside the base station. Our thermal analysis simulations show that the product design secures thermal conduction route, improving the heat dissipation of the optical module, providing a solution for thermal management design within the equipment. With the optical module embedded into the plug connector, the operation of replacing the optical module within a base station becomes that much simpler. Besides base stations, this product can be considered for various outdoor devices, such as surveillance cameras. J plans to continue developing new connectors with excellent environment-resistant performance which can be used for outdoor applications, such as optical interfaces connectors for 5G base stations. Please visit the J website for more information on these products.